Okay guys, today I'm gonna work on this chainsaw. There's your brand right there. And I gotta tighten this chain. Big time. Which is real simple. Loosen that bolt right there. Then tighten this screw right in there until it is tight enough to however tight you want it. You don't want it too tight, you don't want it too loose, or someone will get hurt. Then I gotta take the air filter in there. Gotta make sure the choke works pretty good. And I gotta check chain oil, which is filled up right there. And pull start works fine. It runs, so I got it running. That's why I need to check the choke. And I gotta make some gas for it, which is right here. Here, I'll just take the fucker out. There's a gas can in there, and there's a gas cap. Gotta make some gas for that once I get some money. Got enough for a gallon, which is all I need. Hopefully, I'm just going to be. Actually, I fucked up today. I didn't bring the screwdriver in here. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I use a Cobalt screwdriver set. Has wrenches in it too. There we go. Quick release. What do I need? I'm missing one of the Phillips and one of the flatheads out of here. One I dropped in my truck working on it because it fell. Yeah, that's right. Alright, I'm going to sit down and go to work on this. There'll be a few parts of this. I actually want to get people to learn how to properly do this. I'm going to take the handguard off for the hell of it. It's real simple. All you got to do is take the screws off. And the second thing you gotta do is remember how to put them back on, which screws go where and all that. A lot of people have a hard time doing that. But I like to do this. Put the screws back in once I take it off, so I know where to go. I also have magnet bowls like that. But I'm not gonna use that. I have a bigger one right here. It's full of parts from my lawnmower. I gotta find the air intake gasket and there's a fuel filter right there. Gotta put on it once I get it finished. I gotta buy a starter and I gotta find that air intake gasket somewhere. I think, yeah, there it is. It's in the floor. Okay, now I got that one off. I'm gonna loosen that up right there, and I'm going to tilt it forward so I can get this off. Now I need a ratchet first. So I'm going to go over here and get the ratchet. Of course, the ratchet's in the office, so I'll be right back again. Sorry for the delay. Back with the ratchet. My ratchets are by Napa, which says it right there. And I gotta find the right socket. I don't know if I have it right here. Yeah, that's it right there. I need a wrench. I don't get out wrenches. Well, all these crescent wrenches out. Cobalt crescent wrench. It's kind of froze up a little because I got some dirt in there. Hard to use, which I actually like because it locks better in place. Just loosen this up a little and then take it off. Alright, now you're going to take this off right here. These two little bolts. And I did not think I have a socket for this. Oh, I probably do. Oh, yeah, I do right here. I don't have like the miniature hookup for this because we lost it somewhere. You're gonna take these just off. And I don't think this is the right side. In there. Yeah, it's not the right size. Oh well, we can just do this. Very easy. There's gonna be a few parts of this, like I said, because it's already at 6 minutes. And I want to do a full video of me working on shit. Damn. This is counted as farm equipment because it's on the farm. We use it here, and it's a piece of equipment. Let me get some of that shit out of there too. I don't use this as much, so that's why it's all dirty and shit. I barely ever care about it. But I'm actually the only one on the farm, other than my dad, who cares about the equipment. All the other workers here don't give a fuck. They just let it fucking rot. The old people that used to own this farm, the John Deere tractor's all shitty, if you haven't realized all the rust on it, because they never cleaned it, never serviced it, never greased it or anything. But they did an oil change for the first time ever since they owned it. I think it's a 2003 model or something like that. I don't know, but ever since they owned it, they never oil changed or anything. And the first time I got an oil change when my dad came here. Alright. If I can get this over there, I can pull that off. And lift that up. This fucking out of the way. Alright. Actually, this fucker doesn't want to work. Oh, what the hell. Tighten that back up. Actually, I'll tighten it back up when I put it on. I'm going to take this whole thing off while I'm at it. Too fucking big. Oh. Yeah, it's too big, so it figures. Alright. Let's just fit it. Do I have any others over here? No, I don't. Fuck. I ain't getting up. That's when crescent wrenches come in handy. When you're too fucking lazy to do anything else. Get up. Go get another wrench. 9 minutes. I'm gonna end it right now and do a part 2, so watch part 2.